With 2021 wrapping up quickly, the NBA star's wife looked gorgeous, as she gets ready to ring in the new year. The new year is nearly here. As 2022 quickly approaches, Savannah James, 35, showed that she's ready for next year to arrive, with a sexy Instagram photo on Wednesday, December 29th. Savannah, who's married to NBA star LeBron James, looked excited to kick off whatever chapter the next year will bring. Savannah stunned in the slim backless dress. She smiled, as she rocked the dark brown, velvet outfit. She also accessorized with some shining rings and hooped earrings, as she posed in front of a few giant, metal crowns, and she seemed ready to celebrate on New Year's Eve. Festive Tings, she captioned the post with a winking emoji, and the hashtag #all2022. Savannah also shared Essence posting the same photo on her Instagram story, and called their caption undefeated. The magazine had raved over Savannah. "Let's just call it like we see it. The franchise player since 2003. The topic in the top pick," the caption read. "Ladies and gentlemen, an introduction that needs no introduction." Related gallery. LeBron James and family, photos of the NBA star with his kids. Hopefully 2022 brings plenty more exciting moments for both Savannah and LeBron, 37. The pair had plenty of great times together throughout 2021, and there are plenty of reasons for them to be happy. Savannah celebrated her 35th birthday back on August 27th, and she rang in her next trip around the sun with yet another stunning dress. With LeBron starring in the long-awaited sequel to the classic 90s movie Space Jam, Savannah also showed her support for her husband by attending the premiere with him. Of course, since it is a family movie, the pair also brought along their youngest daughter Yuri to enjoy the timeless Looney Tunes characters. Other than some of the major events, LeBron and Savannah also had plenty of romantic date nights in 2021, both in the United States and some abroad, like when the pair grabbed ice cream together in Italy. The pair also joined famous friends for group dates, like when they got dinner with LeBron's agent Rich Paul and musical icon Adele along with Russell Westbrook and his wife Nina Earl.